Hello and welcome to this short tutorial. I'm going to show you how to mine Algorand quite easily. So first of all, therefore you need a crypto wallet. If you already have one, use that one. If you don't, just click on the first link in the description. And then we see here, you can download here the crypto wallet Exodus. And you install it and open it. And that's how it should look like when you open it. Then we press on the wallet on top, search for ALGO and press receive and copy that link and save it for later. Just gonna put it here. So, and now we have the two different mining programs you have to we only have to download one, but one is for the GPU over 4 GB and one for under 4 GB. So you have to check what your GPU has on storage and download the version. So I got more than 4 GB, so we're gonna download that one. Press download. Okay, so here we are. Right click, extract all. I already did this before, so it's showing here. Okay, press edit, more info, run anyway. And now we have to put where it says your ALGO address, we have to put the address we copied earlier. So we go here, copy that address, put it in here, and press save as, collect all files, save, and replace it. Now we can basically already start mining. Wrong thing to close. And therefore we just have to press the start button here. Press start and you see mining process is starting. So, but how do we see how much we already mined and how do we really get it into our wallet? So therefore we have this website here, Unminable.com. You can click on it in the description. We have to make sure that ALGO is selected, but when you click on the link, it should be selected already. But here you can see all the different cryptocurrencies you can mine. Press on ALGO, and then we have to put our ALGO address in here again. So copy it again, put it in here. And now we see, okay, nothing mined so far. But you see mining process has started, so we just have to wait till it shows up. Can take some time, don't worry. So yeah, zero balance yet, and here we can see we can automatically pay out from 10 ALGOs, so we can switch it on or off, and then it's gonna be transferred to our wallet. If you don't want it to be automatically paid, you just switch it off and then you can press pay now as soon as you have reached the 10 ALGO or more. Yeah, and that's basically it. I hope I could help you. If you have any questions, then just ask me in the comments. I hope I can help you. And yeah, that's it. See you next time. Bye bye.